Okay, so now I am making the caramel, and this is a special rice. And this is a sticky rice, very, very delicious. Okay, I put the fire slower. Lesson learned: next time, do not use a spoon, wood spoon. Use oh, sorry. Use a fork. Cooking rice, there is always some bottom, sticky bottom, so avoid that sticky bottom. Okay, now we need to run it a little bit. Okay, the rest is just keep on stirring. There's not very much we can do. You have to keep on stirring. Okay, I just take out the cookie. Perfect. Look at it. Look at it. Looks so good. Oh. Low battery. Okay, so let's take a look. And the cookie are just perfect. You can see a little bit burned, and it's just the best of it. And for the rice, you use a flat bottom wood, stir it, wood spatula, what do we call it? Spatula, stir it, and the flavor becomes, the rice become more and more incorporate. And at the beginning we see a lot of milk. Now you can see it's all incorporate, and this is the time to put in the cream and sugar. Some friends like to listen to me looking around for things. You bet. See, this make it so much more rich. And when you eat it, with time, it will become very, very consolidated. Consolidate is not the right word. It becomes very thickened as the time passes. And this does not stay for long. There was one time I made this and I put into a little container, a sealed container. After 3 weeks, 4 weeks, it's fermented. Even if it is sealed, it's fermenting. So this one is made to order. Anytime when I receive an order, I make it. If I do not receive order, I do not make it. I want it completely boiled, so I can put some vanilla extract. That's it. About 1 spoonful of it. And there are people who would like to put in nutmeg, put in cinnamon. It is your choice. I make it just pure like this. And then put in sugar. Put in sugar, and same as anything, everything, I like to put a little bit of salt. And that is it. I will bring it to a full boiling. Then put into a can. Then we are done. There is 1 drop of it, has a little bit of see, this happened. 1 drop, a little bit burned. Take it out. Oh, 2 drops of it. 2 grain of rice, a little bit yellowish, and now I will put the fire strong. Look at it. So the important thing, not too strong, the important thing is you cook the rice. You make the rice already cooked and then put in milk and then put in the cream, sugar, bit salt, vanilla extract, things like that. Look at it. It looks so good. Let me taste it a little bit. This is a time you need to really work on it. Never leave it the very last moment. I think we should design a machine that turn around without people. Okay, it's boiling. Yes, it is boiling. I need to make sure it's 100% boiling. I am not comfortable with raw milk, half-cooked milk. And I know there are people who cannot digest cooked milk. For me, it is different. Now it is totally boiling. Now I can taste it. Okay, now we put the fire to slow. It's very, very hot, very. This is how it looks. Sometimes I think I feel bad to sell it at this price, but this is purely labor. To make one bottle of it, even if it is one bottle, you need to work really for a long time to do it. And same as a lot of baking and dessert, it does not cost much in the material. It is in the labor. This is one of it. It's a labor intensified job. This is just perfect. I put a little bit less than I want to put in sugar because it's so fresh. So and it will be shipped out very soon today, so I can make less sugar, make it more. I do not need to worry too much about the preservation. The preservation. Oh my goodness. Good. Put into bottle. New lid. I think I will get a new lid. Bottle it. That will be quite hard to bottle it. Let me try it and see if I can bottle it like this. Oh. That's it. Okay. When it is sealed, sucked in, I can open it up. I can take out the outer lid and clean up it a little bit. But that is home cooking. It is like this. Oh, I have some left over for myself.